the hell? What the hell is that? Who in the...
Woman, why are you at
No?
Blue?
That's not where Southwest is? Where's Southwest?
You were supposed to be paying attention.
Goddamn, look at the colors in
Hey, I assumed Terminal E.
No.
Terminal E?
Nope.
Wow. This is the
Gotta go around
content
Keep going
circle
around.
again?
really want
Keep
to
going
see.
in a circle.
This is the content people really want to see.
Yes.
Driving in circles trying to find the terminal.
Right.
Oh my god.
7-2. Oh my god, do we make it? Oh my god.
I tell you.
Oh my god.
I'm going to shit myself.
My stomach hurts.
Hurry up, bro. Unload my stuff, show 4.
Oh my god. He just doesn't listen.
Why are you wearing sunglasses?
Why are you not wearing sunglasses? Lady, I got it. For goodness sakes. Yeah, that's mine.
yours.
The kid with the man bun. I know you know him. Don't. Yo, you can't be showing off my information, John. Throw your mask on because I'm not messing with Rona.
Corona.
Oh,
along.
make sure you bend me. Yes,
Hey,
you're like
nice.
way off.
Nice.
Don't miss me too much.
Oh, dang.
Jesus Christ.
Bro.
Jesus Christmas.
It took us so long.
Fuck the kids.
Guys, our flight's in like 30 minutes. Hi.
Morning.
Thank you.
Morning.
We're at it again, this time with masks and we can't breathe.
Ooh.
Hurry up, Johnny. Let's go.
Coming, Johnny. I'm coming.
Okay.
Glasses are fogging up. Need my windshield wipe up. Make sure you greet the pilot, dude.
Cookie right.
I feel like just spraying Lysol, like my neck is getting wet. Just like spraying.
Oh my god. I almost took off my finger.
Things are dry.
You're dry.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, you look so lazy. Huh? You look so lazy.
So what's the plan?
Dude, we're gonna hop in that thing, go right on the track, and that's it. We're out of here. Next flight. We're getting a refund back. That's it. Take our refund, put it in gas. That's it. You ever seen an airplane at a gas station? Probably not. Look at that thing. Imagine that with a couple chuchos on it.
May I clean my shoes?
Oh shit.
Stop. I really thought you were about to spin.
Yeah, we
Do the little spin thing. Silvadina. Do we want some of that?
No.
It doesn't even look open.
It doesn't even look good.
Alright guys, you know everywhere we go, we gotta go to McDonald's. Baby. What are you gonna get?
Cheeseburger. Happy Meal. Pikachu.
Too early for a Happy Meal.
Yes, serious.
We're just waiting for the second flight. Oh my god, I can't wait to be there. Part 2. Second flight, and then we're there. We're there. Oh my god, I can't even put my bag down. Oh, baby. I'm not talking to you.
Oh, fine.
Mind your business.
Ejectocito button. Oh, this is gonna be nice. No? What do we think? No, stop. What are you guys doing? You know, this is nice.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. This is flight 1747 service.
Okay, guys, we're doing this one more time, and then we're there.
Don't forget about the way back.
Ensuring that the area wrapper is left clear.
Okay, let's try this
We
again.
are practicing.
Baby.
This is gonna be amazing.
Yeah, so we've got great. We do also have Wi-Fi, so again, just our Wi-Fi service is small charge for the Wi-Fi. However, we have.
This is my YouTube channel. Millions of people are gonna see it.
Toilet is priority.
I don't know where that's at. Right here. Oh my god. We'll be back. Oh, poor baby. That bag is so heavy. It's like got like 5 pounds of rocks in there. 5 pounds. No, 30 pounds. Pop your sweater there, bud.
Escalators, escalators, escalators.
What the hell? What the hell is that? Who in the...
Alright, what you got over there?
He's acting all dead. I know you're alive.
What you got over there?
Got me a Afghanian lizard. Look at him. Oh, beautiful, really. He's acting dead, but he's not.
He looks frozen. Pretty soon. I think his tail's probably gonna fall off soon.
It already did. The tip of it.
Oh yeah.
She's gonna.
You scared him.
He's acting like he's cool.
Probably wants to jump on my socks.
He's getting ready. He's breathing out hard and shit.
Seriously. Put him out. Let him out. Oh no, he likes you.
Oh no. Like that, please. Oh, do not take another step.
Goes up behind.
Like that. Oh. Go out. Be free. He doesn't want to leave now. Be free.
He's made a friend.
Go. Go, please. Why are you still here? Go. Alright, I guess he's sleeping with
Hey guys, so if you made it this far in the video, we are already home. We were gone for a week, and while I was editing I realized that I did not put an ending to this video. So if you've made it this far, I decided that I should just give you guys a little sneak peek of what we did during the week. So here you go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the sneak peek. Thank you guys so much for the support. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and keep liking the videos. And as always, you guys already know, keep it tight, keep it classy, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!